An exciting announcement coming in the freeze drying space. Harvest Right freeze dryers just released their brand new app for Android and Apple users. I've already downloaded the app and I'm impressed with all the features and available information that they've got in this app. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly what I viewed and downloaded and share with you exactly how these different features work and how you can use it to your advantage, whether you're in home freeze drying or you're wanting to start it as a business. There's a lot of things to get into, so let's take a look and see what this app is all about. Jumping in here, this is the interface for the new Harvest Right app that you're going to find when you download it from your iPhone or from the Android App Store. Now, this is a really clean interface. I'm going to go through each different category of what they're actually displaying to you today. The first one is going to be all about the different categories for freeze drying recipes. Now, I really like this because you can choose what you're deciding to go into. The thing that really caught my eye was the specialty items. That's because these are different items that I think a lot of people have trouble with. And so as you can see, there's anything from chicken broth to baby food to breast milk, and also honey, chocolate, different condiments. So I really like that they have a wide variety of different settings for a Harvest Right freeze dryer. Again, you want to have a Harvest Right freeze dryer if you want to use their Harvest Right app. Let's take a look at something unique like breast milk. I actually freeze dried some of my wife's breast milk for our second child that was born in 2022. And now they actually have settings of what they've tested, both from the user side, from people that own it just like myself, and also their own experimenting. One of the specialty items that I wanted to take a look at here on this list was chocolate, because I've done Charleston chews before. You know, you have to have something that chocolate can attach to and then it puffs up. And so you can't actually freeze dry chocolate directly. You have to dissolve it in what they say is 5 parts hot distilled water and then 1 part chocolate. So if you had 5 teaspoons of water and then you had 1 teaspoon of chocolate, that's what they're saying you kind of want to use in terms of your experimenting. Same thing goes with peanut butter. I'm also going to show you honey. They've got all of these available as recipes from both the user generated side that they've aggregated from people that have tried it, as well as their own. I've been to the headquarters at Harvest Right in Salt Lake City, and I've seen the different experimenting Harvest Right freeze dryers that they do this all for, and now they've just aggregated it into the app. And so you can see there too, here's the recommended setup for the settings for your Harvest Right freeze dryer, and then what you do next to start trying it out. Now, something I noticed in the categories was the information. So I wanted to click on that. I didn't know if it was a category, so I clicked on it and it just shows you kind of their FAQs. This is actually a category that you can find directly from the home screen. You don't actually have to go to categories to find this particular information, but look at all this information that you can find that is really just a search query on Google, but now it's on the app. They have it connected to their YouTube account so you can see different instructions. Jumping back to the home screen, now we're going to go down into the instant support. I thought that this was going to be more of a virtual assistant. It looks like it is. Now, we're really accustomed to virtual assistants with, you know, our home computer systems, our internet, our Wi-Fi, all of that is through virtual assistant. And then it gets you to a direct person for technical support. I typed in vacuum error issues because that's a common thing that people experience. And look what the AI virtual assistant did. It gave me all the troubleshooting vacuum error issues that are both in the guide that you get when you buy the freeze dryer, as well as you can look up online, but now it's directly in the app and it walks you step by step through exactly what you're supposed to do to try to troubleshoot yourself first what type of vacuum error issue it is. They have a video there that's things to watch for and check when you have a vacuum error issue. You can also click on the create a support ticket and it'll actually take you directly to a ticketed support that you can find online right now through their website, but now it's all directly here in the app, which I think is really slick. Going back to the home screen again, now you can go to the store, you can look at Harvest Right freeze dryers and accessories. I think that's really nice to have a turnkey way to go back to their site, take a look at things that you might need for your Harvest Right freeze dryer. And also you can change the settings and you can register your freeze dryers. I thought this was a really nice feature because when you buy something like an appliance, you usually register it with your serial numbers, and that's what they've got here as your Harvest Right freeze dryer. So this is a really slick interface. I really like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of this after downloading as well.